evening once again. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. May you share this video, may you share, because this video is a very important video. The new law where Luigi Di Maio with Luciana Lermoghese, the interior minister, they don't bring. Now we want to talk about today. And if you're in Europe here, you want to travel, you want to travel to anywhere you want to go, either Africa, Asia, Russia, USA, UK, and wherever you want to go, the best place I would advise you to buy your ticket is JQ Travel and Hotel. And also, if you are in Saarbrücken, Berlin, you are in Germany, or you are even if you are out of Germany, you want to travel to Germany, you need a hotel to enjoy yourself. Very cool, security, everything is intact. And they will talk to you nicely, coolly, you will enjoy them. So if you need a hotel or you need a ticket, you want to buy a ticket and you don't know the procedure, just contact JQ Travel and Hotels. They will do everything for you. Easy. On phone, just chat them. JQ will help you, support you, do everything. You can contact them through me by 3510-8516-85. And if you are outside Italy, you can call +393-510-8516-85. If you call JQ, he will buy your ticket for you. And if you need a hotel, you are in Germany, contact this same number and you will get them. Today, let's continue about the matter waiting bring us here. Now, the man where they call Luigi Di Maio, that fine man, now still be the deputy prime minister for Italy, and now still be the minister of foreign and affairs for Italy. Luigi Di Maio, that fine man. Waiting you don't do things where they do with Libya. Now he said the law where Matteo Salvini that time February 2017, Matteo Salvini he can't get some a deal with Libya people where they call that the anti-migration deal. That anti-migration deal. Now Luigi Di Maio he don't renew this deal with Libya people. As he renew the date where he renew now. This November, 2nd November 2019, now they don't still renew this deal. But this Luigi Di Maio, as he renewed the deal, he said no, the deal since they start and so, if I said they say many Libya people, they catch people on sea. But the waiting they go use they catch. So now, as he renewed the law, he buy Libya people, those vessels, patrol vessel. If you don't know patrol vessels, those boats where they will take the petrol on top of the sea, take the catch people. He buy 4, now he give Libya people. So as he buy those 4 boats for the Libya people, inside last 2 weeks now, Libya people don't arrest 126 people where they don't return them back to Libya because now they patrol. So if you dey Libya say you won't come Europe now, may you just they shine your eye well, because now the sea you know Libya people now where they don't still buy boat for them, say may they tell they do that patrol. You know say everything they intact. They don't tight everywhere. They don't strong everywhere. So now the sea, there is no way they start they catching people again. Now everything don't tight. Luigi Di Maio, he say in this serious. You not be saying amount to in this serious. So everywhere you dey, whether you dey Libya, this information may you take and serious. Say now if you enter sea, may you know say na Libya prison, and you know Libya prison as it be. Na wahala, na suffer. You know the way you go feel. So if you want travel now, say you want come Europe by the Mediterranean Sea, may you just they think well, may you open your eye, may you shine your eye, may you know who you go pass through and take on this place. Because now he say he don't renew the deal and he don't tight everything, you don't pump money inside. So now just catch it, they still they catch it. And Luciana Lermoghese, the new interior minister, in waiting in the talk, he say he know they follow Salvini, those things where Salvini can't do. The one where good, he go follow, but the bad ones, he no go follow. So now all those border, that Lampedusa, you know say before they rescue people, they go Lampedusa and where. But the time when Matteo Salvini he can't block all those shipping ports, say they no go agree, maybe rescue immigrants come. But now this Luciana Lermoghese, he don't open all those ports. Now immigrants feel on there. But as he open those ports, now this Luigi Di Maio say, okay, you don't open the port. But me, my deal be say, I don't go let the people self even enter. As they enter the sea, now so Libya people go arrest them. So there is no way for them to even reach the territory of Italy before they will even reach that Lampedusa. So now things where they happen, now be that. Now this Luciano Lermogheze, the new interior minister, waiting in the talk, he said now he won't join with Germany, France and Spain. Maybe they take good care of immigrants where he no go follow that Matteo Salvini life where he can suffer immigrant. Because that time Matteo Salvini, he can join with Hungary, with Poland people. Now they suffer immigrants because if you go Poland or Hungary, that place immigrant they take them, they do but this Luciano Lermogheze, he said now in the support Germany and France and Spain. Maybe they will join hands, maybe they will share any immigrants where go enter. If you manage enter, they will take good care of una. They don't go suffer us again. Now so Luciano Lermogheze in the talk. And now new laws where this Luciano Lermogheze he bring the law day before, but the law not strong. But now the law don't strong, the law don't tight. Because you know this woman, he don't work under immigration for more than 30 years. So he know everything about immigrants. He know many things. So now he say things where he won't use, attach this Salvini laws, be say, you where you know say you get 2 years humanitarian, or 2 years quasi speciale, or 5 years subsidiary. Now two things involved. It's either say if your paper expire, you put on for renew, you go still go commission. Now two things. So if they give you paper subsidiary or humanitarian or quasi speciale, may you check that thing. The day where you go sign the papers, that papers where they go give you, look inside whether your paper, if it expire, you go still go another commission or not, because they go write it inside. Now be waiting now. They happen. Many people we get 5 years or 2 years 2 years humanitarian or quasi speciale. Now they recommission them again. Instead of say your paper don't expire where you won't go renew, they will say may you call another commission. Now be waiting they happen. So you when you get your paper, may you know the law about your paper, and if they call you for any commission, nothing saying a different thing, because now something where they but before they know they follow those laws. But now Luciano Lermogheze in time he say all those things will happen. If they don't understand your matter well, you know concerning them whether you don't get 5 years subsidiary, you go still go another commission. If you go, they can see say the matter where you tell them that time you know deserve, may they give you paper, they go revoke the paper for your hand. So now may you shine your eye. Anything where you talk before where they give you the paper, nothing say those things you forgery, and so now you don't forget or you don't remember waiting you talk. If the paper expire, they will call you another commission, and that commission where you go, if you fail, you will get negative for there. Your paper, they go revoke them for your hand. So now the waiting they happen. Many people, they call them another commission. Why they still get paper? So may you put eye for those things. The paper where they will give you, whether quasi speciale or humanitarian. Because the quasi speciale, before now humanitarian day, nice Salvini come. Salvini where every time our hala they bring, he come, he say he don't change them to quasi speciale. The quasi special way he bring, he can't be like say old man don't die. Who won't replace the old man into another old man? Meaning say na funeral they put for another day. Because old person die, the next of kin into na old person. Na funeral na don't change them to another place. You say humanitarian no good. You won't bring quasi special. Quasi special way he come. Now the same family with the humanitarian, you know the function. So now what did they happen? If you get humanitarian, if you expire, just they pray hard, because on the renew day they will call you another commission. Or if you get 5 years subsidiary, if you expire, you put on for renew, they will still call you another commission. So you when you don't put your 5 years subsidiary for the renew, 6 months don't pass, you never can go to your questura, the nearest questura. May you ask them the reason why your paper never come, because maybe they will let you go another commission. So maybe they put her in mind. Maybe they put her in mind. Maybe they share this video to all your friends. May they know the laws where they happen. Who they Libya? May you know say now the sea. They not feel broken, but the Libya soldiers with their police they tight on the sea every time when now na catch because Luigi Di Maio don't give them money now with 4 patrol vessels. Say may they take the petrol on top of the sea, they check anywhere, any corner, anywhere you dey, may they arrest you, take you back to Libya prison. And when I know Libya prison now, no be me go tell when I went to Libya, when I know. So you where you dey Libya, may you know waiting they happen. No may you not do say you want go enter one chance, one connection man wey no know anything wey you wan do, you go risk your life, because now the sea e don tight, they don tight everything. Because they don't renew all the deal with Libya, they don't give them better money. Because the Libya, the soldier commander wey dey Libya, the interviewer wetin dey talk, he say although Libya war dey, but the sea, the war no be the sea dey, na the desert the war dey. On top of the sea, no war. So their soldiers every time they intact on the sea, they check everywhere. Where any person where they go see you on top of the sea, whether you be fish, whether you be anything, they will just arrest you back to Libya prison. So more wanna take note. And you where you get paper, where your paper don't expire, you don't put down for renew 6 months, the paper never come. May you quick go to your Questura because they will give you another commission. Thanks for watching and sharing. And if you want to buy tickets, or you need a hotel in Germany, just if you need ticket to travel to anywhere, Africa, Asia, USA or wherever, just contact JQ Travel and Hotels and they will give you the affordable tickets. And it's quick. It no go take time, no before 1 night. Because JQ Travel and Hotels now registered company, they know they do 419. Thanks for subscribing and sharing.